First, Vamanadeva expanded himself to the universal form Virata Rup. Then he reduced himself to his original form Vamana Rup. Thus he acted like Lord Krishna, who at the request of Arjuna showed his vast, gigantic Virata Rup, universal form, and later assumed his original form, Dvibhuj Krishna. The point Prabhupada makes in the purport that the Lord can assume any form he likes. So Vamanadeva resumed his original form and human-like form to reciprocate in love and accept worship from his devotees. So Madhurya Mayi Lila, this is Nara Lila, where the Lord is approachable. He's near to us. His form is human-like in proportion to the human beings, not some vast, gigantic, untouchable, inconceivable, unthinkable form, distant, vast, omnipotent form, full of power and opulence. This form is not very sweet, not very accessible, but in Madhurya Mayi Lila and Nara Lila, human-like Nara Rup, Vamana Rup, is only 4 feet 4 inches tall. It's easy to be near the Lord. It's easy to touch the Lord, relate to the Lord, speak to the Lord, worship and serve the Lord in a very sweet and intimate and confidential way. And in this form, the Lord accepts the personal loving worship of his devotees. So in order to reciprocate with his devotees' worship, Lord Brahma wanted to worship Lord Vamanadeva. So to accept that worship, he abandoned his Aishwarya Mayi form of Virata Rup and adopted his Madhurya Mayi Vaman dwarf form, the dwarf Brahman, so he could accept the worship of Lord Brahma.